Alright guys, Trooper Micklef here. As you can see, I'm no longer a trooper. I've joined Grapeseed Police Department, left Los Angeles State Police, so we're a trooper now, police officer. So let's start going. Actually, I gotta do one thing really quick. Alright, now that that's done, let's get going.
Will be clear from uncharged stop. Citation issued.
Truck right there, oh my god. $80.94, I'm trying to catch up to a truck close to 3,000. It crashed out.
Invalid registration.
Fuck, that hurt.
Hey.
That truck okay? Let me hop up here.
Come back and talk to me. You alright?
I just need to make sure my truck's all good, man.
Alright, well you shouldn't be going 88.
Shit. Man, I can't jump on my truck, man. Piece of shit truck. Hey, just hey, I can see you fucking hell. Why you got a spotlight? What's up, man?
Alright, why are you going so fast? That's
Oh,
why
I
you
wasn't me,
crashed out.
man.
I clocked you at 88.
Damn. I don't think that was me, brother.
No, it was you, and you crossed over a little median right there.
Oh, shit. My bad. I didn't. Well, yeah, man.
Mr. Bourne, didn't I just stop you?
No.
Yes. Where's the other truck at?
My
Where's
other truck, I
Darnell's
brought it
truck?
home.
Okay.
Oh, I brought it back to him.
So where's the guy that was driving this truck?
There's somewhere around it. Oh, somewhere around here, man.
He was in here with you?
No, man. I popped this one off at Darnell's house, and I picked this one up. So, yeah. Just make sure my load's good back here. Yeah, we're all good.
Alright, well, can I get your ID for me?
What's up?
Let me get your ID for me.
Oh, yeah. There you go, man.
Alright, Mr. Bourne. I'll be back with you. Alright, let's run this information.
Warning, felon, armed.
Is that him right there?
Yeah, man, that's
Got
him.
your rod. Alright.
What? That's him, man. Let me go tell him to stop.
Mr. Bourne is a felon.
Yeah.
Stuck wire.
See, is this car registered? 1 Lincoln 523B. No, it is not. Pretty sure you just got a citation from this officer. It's ISP.
Man, my truck's all fucked up.
Alright, Mr. Bourne, why ain't this truck registered?
Wow, why it's not registered?
Yep.
Oh man, I just got it. Holy shit! What the fuck? What's he doing? Look behind you. Holy shit! He's driving on 3 wheels. What the hell? Whatever. Ah, it's brand new.
He said he just bought it. We're gonna write him a citation.
Yeah.
Let's get general
Hey
citation.
man, you coming down here to help fix my truck?
Actually, it's gonna be a citation.
All right, man. Just let me know when you get here, man.
Alright.
My brother sound good. Yep, fuck you.
Oh. Jerry. Morn. It's gonna be a truck on 5, 2, 3, 8.
Oh, there he is.
That ain't blue.
Oh, we gotta fix the old fucking truck up.
88 miles an hour.
Dude, didn't you
That's a
just pick this
35.
up from the dealer like a week
I'm on
ago?
radar.
3 hours ago.
Score date's gonna be
Hey, excuse me, Mr. Sheriff, could you back your car up a little bit? We just need to pull it back out a little. I don't
You got
want
some
to
room.
damage
Hey,
it.
you're fine. You can back it up a little bit.
I got you, man.
alright. 125. 324. Alright. 9 o'clock. And, yep. Fine is gonna be a $500 fine.
Are you using that truck to pull this out?
Yeah, it'll be alright. It's a Duramax.
Alright, just wait until this also
Hey.
is done.
Hey, put the
Wait
tow
till
hook on
we're
the front.
done.
Hang on, they want you to wait until that guy's done.
Alright.
Yeah, just wait till we're done.
Alright, where is he at?
He's in this truck.
I'm hooking this up.
Alright, well, Mr. Bourne, you're gonna receive a
Yep.
citation for 88
I'm
miles
coming
an
out
hour.
here. Yep.
Receiving a citation for 88 miles an hour and posted 35 mile per hour zone. Your court
All right,
date's-
man. That's not even that bad. Okay.
Your court date's on the 24th at 9 a.m.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, here you go. You
All right, man. I gotta get this pulled out.
There you go.
Man. Watch it.
Alright. Squeeze through here. I just witnessed. Oh, there they are. Oh. So right now I'm looking for a bulldozer. There it is. I have no idea what to do at this point. Alright, now I got him charging at me. Alright, well now they're both in their bulldozers again.
Your postal.
Down at postal 3011 Zancudo Avenue.
Copy, I'm out.
There's gonna be 2 of them now. What are you guys doing?
Hey man, we working here right now, man.
What are y'all doing?
Working here right now, man.
Ramming a police car? Hey, nope. Hey,
I need to go talk to my boss.
nope, come here.
All right, I need to talk to my
Nope,
boss.
I will tase you. Come here. Hey, mother. 89-4, shots fired, shots fired. Alright, well, I have been shot. The other officer is gone. Now they're taking my car. Oh. Vehicle pursuit, 3005 West Zancudo Avenue. Left. Southbound Panorama, another left. Eastbound Joshua Road. Got another left. Alright, doing this way now. Ooh. Let's try and find him. $80.94. I've lost some search in the area. That ain't him. Alright, I got them stopped here. Trying to throw snowballs at me. Nope. I got another officer with me. $894, they're taking off again, westbound Zancudo Avenue, near postal 3009. Taking a left. Another left. Eastbound Alhambra. Another left. Lost eyes at the moment. County 3031, that's them over, buddy. God damn it. Alright, you know what? We're getting the charger out. Alright, we got the charger. Here they go.
Invalid registration.
Take 94 window. How? I don't know how he just shot me. I didn't have my fucking body armor on. Alright, let's see if I can get a good shot on him. Do you know what hit me? Oh my god. Oh. Alright, well, I got one of them. I guess I didn't do that because I got shot twice. So now I'm in a wheelchair. It's my new patrol vehicle. So, goodbye.